I'm Tim Langston with Red Dog Bushcraft with a quick tip for you while you're out on the trap line. This is some scat that I ran across while I was out setting some traps. I'm going to be doing some canine trapping here in a little bit, and I'm going to need something as an attractant. Don't pass this up. Keep you a container so that you can pick this stuff up when you find it. And if it's a little dry or it's not just the way you want it, really doesn't make any difference. We can put a little bit of fresh urine on it, freshen that back up. But if you use good possum mentality and have yourself a container so that you can keep that in, those canines will stop and sniff that if you got some good fresh urine on it, just like any other kind of scat. So use that possum mentality and grab what you can when you see it, because you don't know when you're going to be able to find it. Thanks for joining me for this one. I'm Tim Langston with Red Dog Bushcraft, home of global safety and survival. Until next time, God bless.